Check this out. This is a wrist and thumb brace, and it's for men as well as women too, and it fits most sizes. It's adjustable and very easy to put on and take off. There are 3 straps, and it's also copper infused. And you can also have it to go on your left hand or your right hand, depending on which one you want to use it for. And as you can see, very easy to take on and off. And let me show you a close-up. Here's a close-up of what the wrist and thumb brace looks like. And it's also very easy to take off and put on. There are 3 straps. Here's the one around the wrist. There's one to go around your palm. And there's also this plastic piece here that you can keep it to adjust like that. And there's also another strap by the thumb. There's also metal pieces here to reinforce it as well. So this is what it looks like, and it's also copper infused and feels very comfortable to wear. I definitely recommend using it. I've been using this about a week. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.